Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I received something today really cool that I just wanted to share with you guys. These are magnetic keto cheat sheets. So you can put them on your refrigerator and have them handy in the kitchen if you need to refer to them for something. And no, these are not for keto cheating. Like I said, these are quick reference guides. What they're going to show you for each category is the serving size or the weight if you weigh your food, a bunch of different foods, the fiber, the net carbs, the fat, the protein, and the calories. So the different categories are the fruits, dairy and cheese, pork and beef, visible fat eaten as it says up top, and just know with meats, these are just estimates of the fat. It's going to vary from cut to cut. Then we have nuts, and as it says up top, whole nut unless otherwise specified. Seafood and poultry, skin eaten, and last but not least, the vegetables. Now this also comes with a very cool substitution card I'm going to show you here in just a second, but I'm going to show you this paper that it comes with. This talks about a lot of different foods on here, the benefits of them, things to look out for, and stuff like that. And on the back of this sheet, it has a link that you can go to and download a list of 500 different keto items. I thought that was really cool. Now here is the substitution sheet that it comes with. It's got a lot of different substitutions, but starting from top to bottom, I like that it has the weights up here and how much water you should be drinking daily. Now it goes from 120 to 240. If you're over 240, just look at the pattern. You're going to add 10 to each number for every 20-pound increase. So we have bread, buns, wraps, pizza, you got lettuce wraps, low-carb tortilla, cauliflower crust pizza, a lot of different cauliflower things here. You got miracle rice for the pasta and rice, coffee creamer, that looks like bulletproof coffee to me, sugar substitutes. I know a lot of y'all have done heard of these. These are very good ones. My favorite would probably be erythritol. Then you've got the snacks right here, a bunch of different options. Soda, I personally like Zevia. I think a lot of y'all have probably heard of it. If you haven't heard of Zevia, I'll put a link in the description so that you can check it out. Ketchup substitutes, no sugar added ketchup. Okay, if you get no sugar added ketchup, just be conscious to still look at the sugar and carb content, because even ketchup with no sugar added is still going to have probably anywhere from 2 to 4 grams of sugar per serving, so just watch that. You got the mustard, ranch dressing, Tabasco sauce, mayonnaise. Okay, as I mentioned in a previous video, actually the one right before this one, on the dangerous fats for ketosis. Okay, I talked a lot about omega-6s. When you're buying dressings, please be conscious and read the labels, read the ingredients to see what they're putting in it. Because a lot of these dressings have a lot of bad oils in them, and as a matter of fact, if you look up right here, I'm going to link that video directly so that you can go watch it. But a lot of the oils they put in these dressings are just absolutely awful. Look for MSG, maltodextrin, things like that. MSG can be disguised as things like modified food starch. I know that's one of them, and a bunch of other things. There's a lot of ways that they hide it. Same thing goes for the mayonnaise, but the biggest worry with the mayonnaise when you're reading the ingredients is just the oils. I personally get an avocado oil mayonnaise, and that's the only oil that they use in it. And avocado oil is a really good oil that really helps with inflammation and doesn't have a lot of nasty side effects like the other oils I talked about in my previous video. Milk, we've all seen these, you know, almond, cashew, coconut, flax milk. So this is a very good sheet in my personal opinion. Gives you a lot of different options for substitutes when you're making the transition, or if you made the transition and you still don't know about certain things, this is a great thing to look at. Before I show you the next part of what comes in this pack, I just want to let y'all know I'll have a link in the description to this pack if you want to check it out and pick up one. I think it'd be great if you're a beginner or if you're a newbie, and shoot, even if you've been doing it a while, it's hard to remember a lot of this stuff. So really, I think this would be great for any level of anyone that's doing keto, honestly. It also comes with this little card right here. They talk about their customer service and how there's more than a 95% chance that they can solve your problem. But what I like is the back of it. Now you can read this, but what it's basically saying is it has somewhere you can send in your before and after pictures if you've already succeeded in losing weight, to help inspire others who are wanting to make that change. I think that is really, really awesome. If you think these are as cool as I do, make sure you destroy that like button. Guys, keep it keto, keep it healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.